Students, nervous system of the earthworm. Nervous system includes with nerve ring and double ventral nerve cord. Student, it is the nerve ring around the pharynx. Nerve ring around the pharynx is important in earthworm, Pheretima. Nerve ring around the pharynx at the third and the fourth segments. Next, double ventral nerve cord. It is also present in the nervous system. Cerebral ganglia called as the brain. Cerebral ganglia, it is the brain. Student, cerebral ganglia along with the nerves present in the ring, nerve ring. Cerebral ganglia along with the nerves in ring integrate, coordinate sensory inputs and command muscular responses in the body. Next, reproductive system of the earthworm. Reproductive system. What about the reproductive system? Reproductive system consists of reproductive organs, male reproductive organs, female reproductive organs. Earthworm is hermaphrodite, that means bisexual. Okay, that means single earthworm that consists of two types of the reproductive systems. Hermaphrodite, bisexual. Next, if you observe male reproductive system contain testes, vas differentia, seminal vesicles, male genital pore, prostate glands, accessory glands. These are the parts about the male reproductive system. Student, these are the testes along with the testicular sacs and related with the seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles also present. Next, accessory glands are there and prostate gland student. Okay, this is about the parts of the male reproductive system. First, about the testes. Testes are two pairs. One pair in each segment present on 10th, 11th segments. This is the 10th segment. This is the 11th segment. In 10th segment and the 11th segment, in each segment present in one pair in each segment. Okay, totally students, two pairs. Testes are two pairs, one pair in each segment present in 10th, 11th segments. These are the testes, student. These are the testes present in one pair in 10th segment and present in one pair in 11th segments. Next, vas differentia. Vas differentia, these are runs up to the 18th segments. These are tubular structures. Okay, these are vas differentia. Student, vas differentia. Student, runs up to the 18th segment, runs up to the 18th segments and joined with the prostatic duct, student. Joined with the duct of the prostate gland. These are the vas differentia, runs up to the 18th segment and joins with the duct of the prostate gland. Okay, it is about the vas differentia. Next, seminal vesicles. What about the seminal vesicles? Seminal vesicles, student, these are seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles are two pairs in number and present in 11th to 12th segments. 11th segment contain one pair seminal vesicles. 12th segment contains one pair seminal vesicles. Seminal vesicles are two pairs in number present in 11th to 12th segments in the body. These are the sac-like structures in which spermatogonia are matured into the spermatozoa. Testes produce spermatogonia. These are entered into the seminal vesicles and matured into spermatozoa. A student, male genital pore. There is a male genital pore, student. There is a 18th segment. 18th segment is with male genital pore. Male genital pore, prostatic duct from the prostate gland. Prostate gland, it is prostatic duct from the prostate gland. Either side, came from either sides. Prostatic duct from the prostate gland. Spermatic duct, spermatic ducts, both are open to the exterior, open to the outside of the body by a pair on ventrolateral sides of the 18th segment. 18th segment of the body, ventrolateral sides of the 18th segment, that shows one pair apertures. These are male genital pores. Okay. Next, under accessory glands. What about the accessory glands? These are two pairs in number. One pair at 17 segment, another one pair at 19 segments. These are two pair accessory glands. One pair each in 17 segment, 19th segments. Next, spermatheca, student. What about the spermatheca? Spermatheca locates in segments 6th to 9th segment. From 6th to 19th segment, there is a spermatheca. Student, these are spermatheca. Each one of the segment is with one pair spermatheca. Okay. These are the spermatheca locates in the segments of the 6th to 9th segment, and these are the spermatheca receive spermatozoa. Stores spermatozoa that are received at the time of the copulation. Next, ovaries, student. What about the ovaries? Ovaries are one pair in number. These are the ovaries. These are the ovaries. These are the parts of the female reproductive system. Which are the parts about the female reproductive system? Ovaries, oviducts, female genital pore. Ovaries are one pair in number. Ovaries are one pair in number. And these are the ovaries attaches to the posterior face of the intersegmental septa of 12th and 13th segments. One pair ovaries attaches to the posterior face of the intersegmental septa of the 12th and 13th segments. Next, oviducts, student. Oviducts, oviducal funnels, ovarian funnels, just below the each of the ovary, locates below the each of the ovary. Oviducal funnel, ovarian funnel also called, present beneath the ovaries and continue into the oviducts. These are the ovarian funnel, oviducal funnel, continue as a oviducts. Continue as a oviducts. Okay, student, continue into the oviducts and in 14th segments. In the 14th segment, these are the ovarian funnel, oviducal funnel, continue as oviducts. Next, and the female genital pore. What about the female genital pore? Oviducts join together. Student, oviducts are, both of the oviducts are joined together and open to the outside, open to the exterior, open to outside of the body and ventral side, mid ventral side of the 14th segment. That is called female genital pore. Okay. Both of the oviducts combined, joined together in the 14th segment and open to the outside, open to the exterior in the form of the female genital pore. Student, this is about the reproductive system of the earthworm. Fertilization, cocoon formation, copulation in the earthworm. Student, earthworm, the scientific name is Ferritima postuma. Earthworm is protandrous. Earthworm is protonrus. Protonrus, that means earthworm is hermaphrodite. That means single individual that have the male and the female reproductive systems. Okay. Protonrus, that means in the body of earthworm, the parts of the male reproductive system develops earlier than the female reproductive system, parts of female reproductive system. Okay. And in this way, testes are develops earlier and produces spermatozoa. Earthworm is protonrus. Mutual exchange of the spermatozoa occurs between two mature worms, two mature earthworms at the time of the copulation. Next, exchanging packets of the sperms that are called packet of the sperms. Packet of the sperms called spermatophores. Spermatophores are exchanges between the two mature earthworms at the time of the copulation. In this type, student, one of the earthworm receive spermatozoa, spermatophores from the another earthworm by the or through the spermatheca. Okay. Next, mature sperms, egg cells, nutritive fluid. This is the nutritive fluid produced by the gland cells of the clitellum. Clitellum, student, clitellum, it is the part of the earthworm, that is the region at the 14th, 15th, 16th segment of the body. Clitellum that contain gland cells of the clitellum that produces nutritive fluid. Mature sperms, egg cells, nutritive fluid produces by the clitellum and deposited in the cocoons. What about the cocoons? Cocoons are also called egg case. These are produced by the gland cells of the clitellum. Clitellum that forms the cocoon are also called egg case. Into it, mature sperms, egg cells, nutritive fluid is deposited into the cocoons. Next, fertilization, development occurs within the cocoons. Student, fertilization between the egg cell and the sperms, development of the egg cells occurs within the cocoons. These are the cocoons are deposited in the moist soil by the earthworms. These are the cocoons are deposited in the moist soil. Next, cocoon contains developing embryo. Student, cocoon, inner part of the cocoon that contains developing embryos. After about 3 weeks, each one of the cocoon or the egg case that produces an average 4 earthworms. Okay, student.